HABOTEST HT116. It is a 9999 count multimeter. It CATIV 1000 watt, CATIV 600 watt. It uses 1.5 AAA battery. DC voltage is 0.01 mW to 999.9 watt. AC watt is 0.01 mW to 750 watt. ACM and DCM is 0.001 milliamp to 9.999 amp. It has a diode function. Its output voltage is 3.3 watt. Continuity less than 50 amp may be B-sound on. Resistance range is 0.01 amp to 99.99 megaamp. Capacity is 0.001 nanofarad to 99.99 megafarad. Frequency range is 0.001 Hz to 9.999 megahertz. It has a duty cycle measure 1 to 99%. Temperature measure is minus 40 degrees C to 1000 degrees C. Okay, let's see the meter. Okay, let's see the meter. It made in China. Come with a cheap paper box. Pawn bed. A hard case of pawn bed. Let's see the inside. Inside have a meter. Let's see the meter. There's in the middle is a auto function switch. There is a select switch. There's a mini mix and mini switch. And this is a WAN switch. And that is a relativity and the whole switch. And this size is a flashlight key. And at the top it is a NCV and the power on switch. And this is auto power on and off switch. That's power on. Now it's a power on. In the power on in auto function, they have wings 1, 2, 3 of this moving it. And this APO switch maybe auto power on and off. When this one, the logo disappear. And then when you not put in, they will have a warning light in this one, in the power on. Let's see again. The two lights may be on. For you can put in this switch. This 4mm jack. Okay. Now first time we see the parts. One chip test lead. They have a 4mm jack. 4mm. And CATIV 1000 watt test lead. They have a pucks. And CATIV 600 watt of this one. And they have a protect cap in both sides. We pop off first and see it very sharp of this one. It's 10 amp. And then come with a chip temperature sensor in there. You can see chip temperature sensor. Okay. and come with a cancel card and repair card. And a user menu, but this user menu only for Chinese. And also see the menu first. There is the first page. Okay. Let's see. Okay, finished. We testing the meter. DC weapon voltage test. Now it's a full 2.5 watt. And this meter 2.504. 5 watt. This meter 5.0115. volt. ISO accuracy. Reference for 7.5 volt. ISO 7.515 volt. Okay. 10 volt. ISO 9.99 volt. It accuracy like the float is at 10 volt. Okay. This is weapon test finish. Now we testing the AC voltage. And foot with now see the foot with 220. And this emitter the 220.3, same at the foot. Okay, this is voltage test finish. And we select the Hertz function. By pressing the auto switch first, now is a Hertz function. It's so 50 Hertz. And the percentage also 50 about. It's so 50. Okay. .98 Hertz now. It's same as first foot. Okay. Hertz test finish. Oh, let's see another function. By testing the we become for the auto function. Now it's auto. We're testing the resistor, normal resistor, 1 ohm. It's your time to come to 1 ohm. Okay. 10 ohm. 10 ohm. 10.04K. ISO 10. 20.02K. ISO 20.01. 100.6K. ISO 100.5, 0.5K, ISO 508.4 ohm is okay. 1.997 watt. So 1989 meg. Okay. 5.09 meg. ISO 4.974 meg. 10.87 meg. ISO 10.82 meg. Okay. 22.3 meg. ISO 21.88 mega ohm. ISO accuracy of this meter. And see the low ohm function. It shows 24.9 It shows 50 okay. It's 50 okay. It's so accuracy of this one. 40.2 is so okay. Let's see the meter continuity. Continuity test first. Test the sound. It makes about 60 dB. Okay, let's see the function of latching. If so far it only have a sound. When long it latching not very far. One, two is because the relay have delay, and then they will come with a green light on the meter when contact, and a green light. Latching not very far, response very low. 1, 2. About 2 seconds. Okay. Let's see the meter of in a die test. Let's choose the die test. Now in die test function. It shows 0.5. Okay. That's good. Okay, let's see the die test function cannot light up the LED. Yes. Red okay. Yellow okay. Green okay. Blue okay. White also okay. Okay. This function test finished, and then test the capacitor function. There's 10 mil. Let's see 10 mil. Sorry. It's your time to display the 10 mil, okay? And there's another 1000. $1.117 megafarad. It you a long time for this one. And now we see the bigger one. It's so 4.428 megafarad. It's also okay. In a old capacitor. Okay. Let's see the meter in the reference. Sorry. ISO 119.5 nanofarad. It also near the reading of 120 nanofarad. You can see the foot. Foot is 0.121 microfarad. It will need a reading of the reference. Okay. And let's see the another function of reference resistor. ISO 5 kΩ, 5.005 kΩ. The reference is 4.998. Okay. Now we see another function of the micro M. For the micro M, we'll maybe pop off and select the micro M function. Micro M in this way. Okay, micro M. Now it's a DC micro M function. We use a reference source for testing the micro M. ISO 20 micro M. It's so very accuracy of this one for the reference micro M function. Okay, let's see another function of the high M. There's a high current function. We only have a 5M function. We test it. Now it's a VM. Okay. Yeah, okay, the current function is finished testing. And let's see the meter of the NCV function. For testing the NCV, we must put the switch to the NCV function. Now it's NCV function. We see the meter of the NCV. It about 4 to 5 cm. Maybe send the low function. About 2 or 3 cm, they have a high function. Is sensitive okay, very well. For the cable, we see the cable. It may be near about 2 or 3 cm for the low, and 2 or 1 cm have a high function sensitivity. Because the feel not very good of the single core cable. Okay, the NCV testing finished, and testing the line test, line hot wire test. Normal only use hot wire of only wet color only, but this meter also okay, I feel. Okay, see it. Hot line, neutral, and at the first time we must be select the function in the live check function. Or finding the hot wire. Now neutral, no function. Earth, no function. Earth, the hot wire have a live part have function. See the another pen. Neutral, no function. Earth, no function. If you not try the live, there may be show the hot wire like this. In the first time I use the NCV, there may be some error come out. Now it's okay. Like this. In the neutral also have showing the reading. If you want to find the hot wire, it must be select the right function of light check. There may be not have error come out. Like this, okay. The function also okay in testing the milliwatt function. Okay. Because this time meter in auto mode, the milliwatt cannot display. Now is a milliwatt. They have a function to do it. Now is a 3 watt. It It's so overload. I saw the milliwatt. That's the overload. It's so 0.4 watt. I power up. It's okay. You can show the milliwatt. Okay, we compare the flow of the milliwatt. It's so similar flow of the milliwatt. And we hold the function. Okay. Can hold the same time. It's same the flow of the milliwatt. Okay. Function test only have sales function, not test. Okay. Let's see the temperatures test. For the first time, you can select the function in the temperature testing function and put in these two parts. For this one, like this. And try again. They will remark it for the test point. You can put in this one first and test the function. Okay, now test the function. Now it's a hot water. The hot water is about 60 degrees C. Okay. Let's see the cool water. Cool water is 3 degree, 4 degree about. Okay. Let's see the high temperature. We use a top to get the high temperature. Sorry. It over 106. Now down to the 4 degree. Okay. And let's see the meter another function. And the meter have another function is a torque. There's a torque switch. It's not very bright. And another is the select function. This width off for the select function. For select like the NCV. And milliamp have a remark of the 2 switch in the first time. First 2 seconds about of this one, and have a mini and mix function of the testing when testing. Okay, and now test another function. Now take on this meter another function. In this meter have a select function, mini and max function, range width and reliability and whole function. Now see the whole function first. Now it's a whole function. The whole function, when you hold it, there will maybe have a display. You can dismiss the whole and make another test like this. And something like that in our other test, like the max and mini, you take the AC. The mini. Now time is in mini and max function. And this time you cannot test any reading. The reading is 4. You can dismiss the before the max and mini first for next test. Like this. Then maybe take the reading again. Like the first time. And then they have a function key of reliability. We try it of this. In the auto function, we only have the whole switch. Only. No any reliability can be set. You can take the meter into the manual mode. Now dismiss the whole first. And make the meter to the manual mode. Now it's a manual mode. Now I test 10 ohm. Now it's a 10 ohm. Make the reliability. For this, we pass the reliability function. They have a reliability logo come out. And then they have a 10 ohm maybe testing. Now it's a 0.2. Okay. It shows the reliability function. 498.6 when the reliability come out, and dismiss the reliability. The reading is a 508.5 ohm. Okay, that is the reliability. And when in auto function, or other function, now is in manual mode. now is a DC. You can press the select function to turn to the AC. If you don't, in manual mode, don't turn on this switch, that cannot test the AC. Now it's DC. Now it's DC. This is the select function. Okay. Let's see another function. Okay. Let's see another function. That is the auto power off function key. In the first time, the logo have a timer. When you press in this one, the logo may be dismissed. Now it's dismissed. That is for a long time use the meter. Okay. And then another function is the WAN switch. Now you 0.5K. It's so 0.5K. And this WAN key can be changed the reading like the normal meter. Now the meter, the WAN function, okay. There's okay. That is the function of the using of the WAN. Okay. Let's see another function. Meter T down. They come with a soft case for the outer side. We pop off this one first. And that is the meter. And then there's a serial number. I close off. Okay, I open the meter. And there's a compartment of the AAA battery. It's UV. Interless of cell phone. The inside no any shielding. In this one, they have a cap for capturing the metal and the pucks in two sides, and the battery compartment in the corner. Okay, let's see the meter. In the top side, they have a antenna, NCV antenna, and a big LED. The LCD driver, and a buzzer, and the main processor, and the resistor, die, control relay, and the other parts. And the protection of the resistor, fuse, two of the fuse. One is a 10 amp, one is a 600 milliamp, and the compartment of this one. Okay. Let's open the meter. Open the meter in the downside. Oh, so hot. It's so hot. That is the antenna. We try to put out the meter. Wow, so hot. It's so great. Okay, a screw can come out. In the middle. Sorry. Now maybe to take out the meter. Wow. There is the downside of the meter. You can see they also have a plastic skin inside, and the pass switch, they have a circuit board or a metal mini plug. It's so good. And this have a connector in it, and a mini LED on it. They have a cover the LCD. Wow. They all go over the LCD for this one, and that is the backlight. There is a mini LED. There is the backlight. We try to pull out. Only a corner. Okay. You can pull out. There is the backlight. There is the backside LCD skin. Some transparent film and make some color on it. Okay. We put down it again for the backlight. Wow. Oh, see again the meter in a close-up. Another size. Oh, sorry. Okay. Open it, finish. Thank you for watching. NCV check. Before maybe power on this meter, and then pass this switch to select the NCV. Now it's NCV. We check. About 3.3, you can send the electric. When near, that may be high, but the sound not very big. And try again. About 3 cm. 2 cm might be sense the electricity inside. Okay,